Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to share a Google Drive folder. This is perfect for collaborating with teammates, classmates, or friends, giving everyone access to files in one central place. Let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, we will upload a folder. We can create a folder and name it something like Folder Upload. That's it. Let's create this logo folder, for example. Now, we will upload this folder. As you can see, it is now uploading. Once it's done, we can move on to sharing it. Once the folder is done uploading, we will share it. To share it, simply right-click on the folder, or click the three dots and select Share. The important part here is to change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. Once we do that, anyone who has the link can open the folder and view the files inside. Now, just copy the link and send it. We can now share this link with anyone who needs access, teammates, classmates, or friends. And that's it. The Google Drive folder is now shared and ready for collaboration. With this simple method, we can easily work together and keep all files organized.